Have you ever pondered about the secret life of trees? These natural structures, with their robust trunks and sprawling branches, rise majestically towards the sky, their imposing forms silhouetted against the horizon. They are silent observers, keeping a watchful eye over the world, from the smallest insect to the largest beast. Tall and strong, they stand as the ancient guardians of the earth, their presence felt by everyone and everything that passes by. From dawn till dusk, they are bathed in sunlight, their leaves shimmering in a dance of light and shadow. Their roots dig deep, far beneath the soil, drawing life from the depths of the earth. These roots are a network of life, a complex web that mirrors the branches reaching up above. Each season brings a new transformation. Spring adorns them with vibrant blossoms, while summer turns them into lush green canopies. Autumn paints them with fiery hues, and winter strips them bare, revealing stark beauty. And it's not just about their physical presence. They serve as homes to countless species, providing shelter and sustenance. They help to balance the Earth's climate, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They also play a vital role in our own lives, inspiring us with their resilience and constancy. But what if I told you there's more to trees than just being passive observers of time? Trees, much like us, lead complex and interactive lives. Just as we humans interact with each other through various mediums, so do trees. They don't have words or gestures like us, but they're a system of communication so unique and intricate that it's almost poetic. Just like a family caring for their young, trees nurture and take care of their saplings. They provide them with all the nutrients and protection they need to grow and blossom into strong, mature trees. And similar to any community, they also experience conflicts, much like wars we humans wage on each other. It's a complex dance of life and survival, a testament to the power of nature and its grand design. The medium that facilitates this fascinating interplay is an incredible, vast underground network. This, often playfully referred to as the wood wide web, is formed by mycorrhizal fungi. These fungi form connections between individual trees, binding them together into a cooperative community, promoting mutual growth and survival. This is a network of mycorrhizal fungi that connects individual trees into a cooperative community. Trees are not just solitary entities, but part of a much larger community. Each tree is an intricate part of an interconnected system that is bound together by a complex array of roots and fungal threads, forming a majestic underground web of communication. This vast, unseen network serves as their telecommunication line, passing messages tree to another. Just like humans engage in conversation, trees too talk among themselves. They use this elaborate system to transmit signals, releasing chemical alerts about potential dangers lurking around them. These dangers could be in the form of invasive pests or deadly diseases. Moreover, this communication isn't just about threats. It also plays a crucial role in mutual support. They transfer nutrients, water, and sugars to their counterparts that are sick or struggling. This isn't just an act of kindness, it's a survival strategy, a testament to the saying that unity is strength. This interaction ensures the survival of the whole forest, as trees, despite being individual entities, understand the importance of the collective. They stand strong not as isolated beings, but as part of a collaborative community, highlighting the power of unity in diversity. Trees are not just solitary entities, but part of a much larger community. They talk to each other through a sophisticated network of roots and fungal threads, alerting their neighbors of potential dangers such as pests or diseases. They share nutrients with those who are sick or struggling, ensuring the survival of the whole forest. Trees do indeed possess a unique sense of time. They are not just silent observers, but are actively engaged in the ceaseless cycle of time. Able to distinguish between the brightness of day and the tranquility of night, they respond to these changes ways unseen by the naked eye. They can tell when the sun is overhead, blazing with all its might, or when it's hidden behind the horizon, leaving the world in darkness. Unlike us humans, who have calendars and clocks to keep track of time, trees have their own intrinsic biological calendar. Not only do they identify the distinction between day and night, but they can also discern the shift in seasons. They recognize biting chill of winter from the balmy warmth of summer. The fluctuating temperatures are indicators for trees, cueing them on what to do next. During the cold winter months, they shed their leaves, an act of survival and conservation. With fewer leaves, they lose less water when it's cold and dry. This is their way of fighting against the harsh winter, their form of resistance. Come summer, they burst into of colors, small buds blooming into vibrant flowers that paint landscapes with their hues. This is their time to grow, to expand, to reach towards the sun. They understand the rhythm of the earth, the cyclical pattern of seasons. They dance to the earth's tune, changing their behaviors in tune with the rhythm. This is not just survival, it's a symphony of life played out through the ages. They respond to the earth's rhythm in harmony, growing, changing, adapting, all in perfect synchrony with our shared planet. Trees, like parents, care for their young. They are the silent guardians of the forest, their roots deeply intertwined, weaving a story of timeless survival and resilience. Day by day, they tenderly care for their delicate seedlings, providing nourishment from their own bodies, transferring life-giving nutrients through their intricate root systems. They are the epitome of selflessness, altering their own growth patterns to accommodate and encourage the growth of their offspring. They stand tall, year in and year out, weathering storms and droughts, always standing as a bastion of strength and protection for their young ones. Their leaves rustle softly in the wind, whispering stories of their ancestors, of their struggles and victories, echoing the promise of life. They bend, but they never break, always looking out for their young, ensuring the continuation of their lineage. They selflessly pave the way for the next generation, ensuring the continuation of their lineage. But trees are not always peaceful. In the wild, they are silent warriors, constantly battling for survival and dominance. A secret life unfolds within their bark and beneath the soil, an ongoing struggle for resources that is just as fierce, if not more so, than the animal kingdom's survival of the fittest. They contend with each other's sunlight, each leaf striving to catch its share of the sun's rays, each root clawing deeper into the earth in search of water and nutrients. In this ruthless competition, some have even evolved to use chemical warfare. Certain species release toxic compounds into the soil, a strategy known as allelopathy, to inhibit the growth of rival species, an underhand maneuver in this arboreal contest. Yet this intense competition, this constant jostling for space and resources, isn't necessarily a destructive force. Rather, it is a fundamental part of the ecosystem, driving evolution and fostering an incredible diversity of species. This competition, however, is a vital part of the ecosystem, driving evolution and diversity. In this series, we've delved into the secret life of trees, unveiling their special attributes. We've explored how trees have a unique language for communication, used not merely for socializing but also for safeguarding their offspring, for sometimes engaging in silent battles. Trees aren't just independent beings, they're an integral part of an interconnected woodland society. They've shown us an unusual perception of time, which they use to guide their growth, and more than this, they play a vital role as caregivers, raising their young with care and resilience. But their contribution doesn't end at their own species. The life they support spans across different species, creating rich tapestry of biodiversity. In conclusion, A is not merely a cluster of trees, it's a dynamic interactive network of life. The forest, it appears, is not just a collection of trees, but a complex interactive network of life. Trees are truly remarkable. They are more than just the lungs of our planet. They are the silent witnesses of our history and the quiet protectors of our future. As we continue to explore their mysteries, we realize that they are not so different from us after all. They live, they communicate, they care, and they fight. The forest is not just a place, it's a community, a family, a world teeming with life and stories. So, the next time you walk through a forest, take a moment to listen, to observe. Remember, you are not just surrounded by trees, you are in the midst of a bustling city of ancient giants, each with a story to tell. Welcome to the secret life of trees.